Here are the 6 common kitchen floor plan shapes. The single wall kitchen, Galley Kitchen, the L shape, the U shape, the Island Kitchen, the Peninsula Kitchen, and this is the kitchen work triangle. Welcome to Design Burst. Today, we'll also explore the essential factors in kitchen planning that refers to the fundamental elements you need to consider when designing a kitchen, and key measurements to consider when planning a kitchen, because it's crucial to get the measurements right. Let's start with the kitchen planning considerations. Think about it. Your kitchen is probably the busiest part of your home. It's where you cook, eat, and sometimes even socialize. Given how much time you spend there, it's crucial to make sure it's not just functional, but also a reflection of your personal style. Whether you're revamping an old kitchen or starting from scratch, careful planning is the secret ingredient to a kitchen that's a joy to work in. So, let's roll up our sleeves and get started. The kitchen layout. The first step in our kitchen planning adventure is deciding on the layout. This is the foundation of your kitchen, dictating how easy it is to cook, move around, and share the space with others. Whether your kitchen is a cozy corner or a spacious room, the goal is to keep the main work areas close and efficient. Your kitchen isn't just for you. It needs to accommodate multiple cooks and adapt to your kitchen's size and shape. Before we delve into the layout, it's crucial to consider the 5 key work centers: the sink, the range, mix, serve, and the refrigerator. These areas are the backbone of the kitchen, influencing the workflow and efficiency. The sink is the cleaning hub, while the range is where the actual cooking happens. The mix center is for food preparation, and the serve center is where dishes are plated and served. Lastly, the refrigerator center is for food storage. Each center plays a unique role in the kitchen's functionality. Understanding these is the first step in creating a practical and efficient kitchen design. Here are the 6 common kitchen floor plan shapes. Single wall kitchen. In a single wall kitchen, all of the appliances, cabinets, and countertops are positioned along one wall. This layout is often found in studio or loft spaces because it's incredibly space efficient. You'll typically find the sink located between the range and the refrigerator for easy cleanup and food preparation. However, the downside is that it can feel a bit cramped if you're trying to prepare a meal with multiple people. Galley Kitchen. The Galley Kitchen layout consists of 2 parallel runs of units forming a central corridor in which to work. The sink, range, and refrigerator are split between these 2 counters. This design is efficient for single-user cooking, as all the surfaces are close to each other. The clear distance between the counters should be at least 120 centimeters. The L-shaped kitchen. An L-shaped kitchen layout consists of workspace on 2 adjoining walls perpendicular to each other. This layout often places the refrigerator at one end, range in the middle, and the sink at the other end of the L, but these can be varied based on personal preference. U-shaped kitchen. The U-shaped kitchen layout is like a more expansive version of the Galley Kitchen. In this layout, you have units along 3 walls, typically with the sink on one wall, the range on another, and the refrigerator on the third. Island Kitchen. An island kitchen features a freestanding workspace that can include a sink, range, or just be additional prep area. This layout is typically combined with L or U-shaped kitchen. The island can be located where it best suits your workflow. Peninsula Kitchen. A peninsula kitchen is basically a connected island, converting an L-shaped layout into a horseshoe or a U-shape into a G-shape. The peninsula can house a range, a sink, or be purely additional counter space. Here are the key measurements to consider. When planning a kitchen, it's crucial to get the measurements right. Let's start with the minimum height of a countertop. It should be 75 centimeters, and the maximum height should be 95 centimeters. This is important for ergonomic reasons, as it ensures that people of all heights will be able to comfortably work at the countertop. The maximum height of a wall shelf is 180 centimeters. This is important because you don't want the shelf to be too high, or it will be difficult to reach. The height between a wall cabinet and a countertop should be at least 60 centimeters. This is to allow for adequate airflow and to prevent heat from building up in the kitchen. The minimum height for an exhaust fan over a range or sink is 40 centimeters. This is to ensure that the fan is able to remove cooking fumes and steam effectively. The depth of wall shelves should be at least 10 centimeters and no more than 45 centimeters. This is to ensure that the shelves are sturdy and can hold the weight of the items that you'll be storing on them. The kitchen triangles. The kitchen triangle is a design concept that refers to the arrangement of the 3 primary work areas in a kitchen: the sink, stove, and refrigerator. These 3 elements form the vertices of a triangle, hence the name kitchen triangle. The concept is based on the idea that having these key areas in close proximity to each other can optimize workflow and efficiency in the kitchen. The three sides of the triangle represent the distance and relationship between these work areas. The goal is to create a well-balanced triangle where the distances between the sink, stove, and refrigerator are neither too close nor too far apart. The ideal distance between each element of the triangle is typically recommended to be between 4 and 9 feet, 1.2 to 2.7 meters. Choosing the right materials and finishes. The materials you choose can make or break your kitchen's look and feel. Opt for finishes that are easy to maintain and clean. Light-colored walls and ceilings can create a pleasant working atmosphere. It's like dressing up your kitchen. The right materials can make it shine. Lighting. A well-lit kitchen is a happy kitchen. Good lighting not only minimizes fatigue, but also enhances safety. Ensure your lights are positioned to minimize shadows, and consider a mix of natural and artificial light to make your kitchen comfortable and inviting. It's like setting the stage for a performance. With the right lighting, your kitchen can truly shine. Ventilation. Keep your kitchen fresh and odor-free with good ventilation. An exhaust fan can help remove unwanted smells and keep the air clean. It's like giving your kitchen a breath of fresh air. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we'll discuss kitchen lighting and materials. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep up with our latest insights. Also, check out the links in the description for products similar to those we've discussed. Your support helps us create more content for you. Thanks, and see you next time.